Hey there, my name is Dinesh Raj, and this is Gold Group's proof of concept demo and presentation for our project tentatively named Kickback. My role in this group is as project manager as well as presentation manager.
Hi, my name is Alyssa Angeles, and I am the Remote Collaborations Manager and Planner for Week 1.
Hi, my name is Chip Davis. I am the systems programmer as well as the implementation manager.
My name is Daniel Solorzano, and my role is interface design and testing.
My name is Kofi Pra, and I'm the video manager.
I'm Jonathan Mikulak, and my role is design manager and webmaster.
This is Imindi, the document manager.
I'm Zhou Haowu. You can call my nickname Hamker. In the group, I'm a requirements manager.
Hello, I am Michael Kotwika, and I am the testing manager for the Senior Capstone project.
Kickback is an all-in-one web solution to event planning, creation, and invitation. Users can see the events they've created or been invited to through a clean and simple, yet powerful UI. Ease of use and brilliant user experience are at the forefront of our mission. We plan on allowing users to check into events with QR codes, making hosting and attending that much simpler. And events can either be public or private. Public events can be searched for, while private events will require a direct invitation from the host themselves.
Talk about requirements document. The two main groups, young citizens and job-related roles, were our focus. Young citizens has no experience on plan, they need some help. Our Plan 4 can help them. The job-related role, we're working on it. They just need a tool to help them. We hope our Plan 4 will be a good choice for them, and the functional requirements were equal to the customer requirements. The user must be able to create and join to events. They can search for events from time, popularity metric, and keyword, or anything else. Then, they should know statistics about engagement events, because they have some message and photo on it. That's good memory for them. Finally, each user should be authenticated in order to use the system. For no functional requirement, that's our golden group should do. The first, the system can collect event information and provide content to related users. That means the system needs to respond within the limit time. Second, efficient use of resource to avoid confusion caused by the same event. Third, our Plan 4 also supports multiple social platforms, like the YouTube or Twitter or anything else. Then, system should keep log file that can help us to quickly find the question. Finally, the system needs to have a backup and plan countermeasure for emergency. The other requirement will be coming soon. Now it's the time to Daniel talk about our design.
As you can see on the left, this was our initial wireframe for our app's interface. We went with a general dark theme color scheme, and the overall design is very minimalistic. We have four major parts: the user profile on the top right for user settings, the search bar on the upper half of the screen to search for public and private events, the upcoming events on the left that will display user confirmed events in order by date, and the My Events section front and center, which will display all events, whether invited or hosted. Now, the My Events section is designed as a tab, so we have the flexibility to add additional features in the feature in those tabs. This initial wireframe captured the overall static look. On the right, you can see some of our ideas for the dynamic content, such as event cards and create event forms.
The collaboration softwares that we're using are Discord for communication, planning, and meetings, Trello for task management and tracking development progress, GitHub for hosting source code and collaborative software development. Our technology stack and backups. So our front end, we're hosting on Versal. This is also partially a collaboration software because it deploys staging deployments for all of our pull requests. React.js is the front-end library that we're using. And then for the back end, Data is our tentative cloud platform. Database is their database, and Data Micros is their cloud compute platform. If this doesn't fulfill all of our use cases, then we'll switch to something like AWS or GCP. Then OAuth 2 for our login, logout. We're planning on just using sign in with Google. And then our backups are on an AWS instance that Git clones our GitHub repo every day.
Hello, and welcome to the proof of concept demo. Upon logging into the website, the user is greeted in the upper right-hand corner with their profile picture as well as their username. Under the My Events tab, the user is able to see every event that they have both been invited to as well as the ones that they are hosting. Each event has a name, such as Daniel's Party, a description, such as Donda Listening Party, $5 entrance fee, and an address. It also displays what your RSVP choice was for each one. For Daniel's Party, we haven't really decided yet, so we clicked maybe. For Paula's Tea Party, we're definitely going to be going, so we decided yes. And for the beginner pottery class, it looks like we're going to be busy that day, so we can select no. As you can see, the state of the cart changes to no, and it's a very easy to read and easy to use interface. On the left-hand tab, these are all the upcoming events that we have RSVP to that are sorted by date. If we come over to the plus button next to My Events, that allows us to create a new event. First, we give it a name. A location. A date, and a brief description. Once we click submit, you can see the new card has appeared and it has everything about our event. And since we're hosting, we're definitely going to be attending, so we can go ahead and click yes to that. And you can see it populates the new upcoming events tab. And since it is the most upcoming event, that means it's happening first.
For week 2 and beyond, in addition to the mandatory meetings on Monday, we will continue to meet as a group at least twice a week to stay on the same page, whether it be updates on progress, addressing various concerns, or modifying plans as needed. Smaller subgroups will meet at their own leisure to discuss more specific work-related problems, and at this time, we intend to continue working with our idea from our proof of concept.